The V26 release is now live, and with that comes a number of improvements, enhancements and new features. As with every release, we're always looking to improve underlying performance and core functionality. That means we will make enhancements to existing parts of the platform as well as release new features. Two of those enhancements in V26 are around the ability to add a substatus when creating a shortlist, but also the inclusion of a new accounting legal entity. With regards to the new features, we've now made some specific improvements to email definitions so that you don't send too many emails too often and experience an unhealthy drop-off or unsubscribe rate. We now surface more personalised information when finalising placements, which reduces errors and hopefully ensures that you get paid quicker. We'll also now surface more relevant contact information when finalising placements and company information when seeking candidate references. And finally, one of the biggest enhancements in this release are the new look forms. Over the previous iteration, we now surface significantly more information so that you have everything you need at your fingertips to drive better efficiency and productivity at desk level. There really are some great new features in this new release, and we hope that you make best use of them. Mercury's new forms now surface even more key information. This gives you, the recruiter, a greater user experience and also makes you more productive on a daily basis. You can now surface all of the key information in one clear and concise view. This will include the candidate CV or resume, candidate history, skills, tags, and that all-important activity timeline. You can make easy updates to the applicant record, the candidate record, and shortlists, and you can seamlessly navigate through multiple records using the new list view. This is a significant enhancement on the previous forms that were surfaced in the Mercury platform. Sending a regular cadence of emails is a great way to drive engagement with both your candidates and your clients, but send too many or send them too often and it could have the adverse effect. In a competitive marketplace, it's vital that you stand out. So the last thing you want to happen is for your emails to be overlooked, or worse still, for a contact or client to unsubscribe. Mercury has enhanced the email definitions within the system, meaning that you can define how many you send and how often they go out on a company-wide or individual user basis. Ensure that your emails get through to the people you want to read them, and ensure that you're driving efficiency and productivity at every opportunity. When you've successfully made a placement, it's only natural to want to be paid promptly for the services that you've delivered. Any delay can have a material impact on company cash flow, but also on an individual's commission. It's therefore incredibly frustrating when you receive a request to resubmit a purchase order due to a basic admin error. Mercury now personalises information at the point of finalising a placement and creating the associated purchase order. This will include the relevant currency symbol, the localised date format, and whereas we used to default to a set tax code, we will now present you with a free text field and a list in alphabetical order so you can select the relevant one. All of this is aimed to reduce admin errors and to help you to get paid on time. Generating a candidate reference request is now quicker and easier than ever. Prior to this enhancement, if the company in question wasn't on the system, you'd have to go back and create it. You would then have to go back and complete the candidate reference request form. This obviously caused unnecessary clicks in the system and understandable friction at desk level. Now, by simply selecting from a pre-configured drop-down or writing into the free text field, we have significantly simplified this whole process, meaning you can generate your reference requests far quicker than ever before. And finally, we've made significant improvements to the placement record. Previously, when finalising a placement, we would display all of the contacts on the system. Now, we only surface those associated to the placement in question. This removes unwanted clicks and drives further efficiency at desk level.